Hello. So now the friend of Sisi and his her schoolmate. So she's bringing for the last time. That's why. Yan na go to the room.
She's changed.
She changed. You go there?
No.
Ayan daw.
It's because I changed.
So that's for kids and for kids lunch. Same as usual. Kids lunch time. Ano ba yan? Tingnan mo pa naman yung ano nila. Oh, yung bigay nila na ano. So I don't know. Later, you can check that one later. So that one in the city, Uwi City Center. You know, sometimes I don't like the what's that thing because it's like, oh no, it's not Kentucky pala, it's for, what's that? No need to shout kasi, no need to shout. Oh, Sisi, slowly of your mouth. I man din si Sisi kasi, yan. And this one also is the, gikat na naman yan, gi-haircut ni Sir in the morning. Oh, ayan na. New haircut na naman yung ano namin. Ilang beses na kaya. Siguro if they didn't cut that one, it's like this one na. Or no, it's like hair. Long hair na, it's become long hair. Oh, Asus! Asus ang Juni! Andrake, how about yung ganito ninyo, ano nang nangyari? What is the update of this one? Sino need to shout nga? Oh. So like that one. Ganun pa rin. Okay? So same as usual. Walang pagbabago. Oh. Yung mga t-shirt ko puro botas na. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything that what we have. Okay. Naman siya mapupush. Ba't mapupush nga yung ano? Thank you so much. Thank you. Naging na-post yung ano. Huwag na ma-post para matatapos nga sana. Kasi hindi na kailangan yan pa. Diba? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all support. Everything. More blessings to all people in this earth, including na sa mga mahal sa buhay. Nagiging party sa journey ko. Now is Wednesday. So thank you very much. Sa lahat generalize na yun. Minsan paulit-ulit na lang yung message ko, diba? Kaya gano'n na lang, I'm always repeating of my message to my all videos. If I make only keep silent in my some videos, maybe. Silent watching, silent videos. Okay, so once again, thank you. And good luck, hometown. Alam nyo, you know who they are. Ang buong angkan to angkan sa mother side and father side, ang tanan na pinagmulan hanggang sa mga previous mga friends, mga workers, mga sisters, mga mga in-laws, relatives, cousins, and whatever else pa, mga co-workers, and you know who they are, that you are part also in my journey, that you are still connected in my beginning channel that what I have. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you to all staff, to all workers, and to all founder in the different countries of the YouTube company. Yeah.
Can you?
I'll just say bye-bye, JJ. Bye-bye.